Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Um so I'm kind of at a standstill in a way because I need to get some more products. But I'm also at the point where I don't also want to spend the money for the products. So here's what we're going to do. It's cold outside. We can't do any of the concrete stuff because it is way too cold. So we're going to finish at least getting all the bracing done for these two posts. That way, we'll be ready to go for the next set of stuff, which is going to be doing all of the cement board, which is toxic to breathe. So we need to really do that outside. We can't do that in here. I'm really cold because it's freezing outside. It is snowing since Thursday. Today is Saturday. I don't even know what time on Saturday is, but I know that it's in the afternoon. It's probably about 4 o'clock or 5. I just got done wiring. I'm not all the way done, but I think I figured out what's wrong with my wiring. So you're going to see a wiring video probably before this video. And I'm going to do the bracing, which will help us so we can do our next step. So our videos are going to be a little short this week just because of not having enough time to do everything, but all these things need to be done step by step to finish off the next step for the next thing that we need to do. So that is where we're at right now. So just hang in there. We'll have some more stuff. We do need to do some patching and stuff like that and finish off this wall with the patching before we can get to the painting of the ceiling and painting of everything else in this room, which means that we're probably going to have to do some more patching in some of the areas on the wall and wiring. Okay, so I just found out that I got the wrong kind of wire for the um lights. So I'm not really too happy about that right now. But at this point in time, none of the stuff that I would do, like painting or whatever, would affect that. The only thing is that I'm going to have to go back up to the attic and redo all the wiring because it's the wrong size. Yeah, that was real fun to find out that it was the wrong size. So no wonder why nothing is working in this house because it's the wrong size. Oh man, it's not the right size. So anyway, I am really tired, but we need to get this done so that we can get out our 3 videos this week. I already have 2 videos done right now. So this is our 3rd video for this week. And then we have a 4th one coming out on Thursday, which is going to be, of course, our live video. If you guys have any questions or concerns or anything that you want to ask about the channel, bring it on Thursday because Thursday is my question and answer kind of video or live video. Come chat with us, have fun with us, that kind of thing. That's on Thursday. It's just me and the dog, basically. There is no us. And then maybe next weekend we'll get to doing cement board and tiling. I haven't bought the tile yet. Oh, we might have to wait to buy it until a time where there's not a whole heck of a lot of people there at the at one of the big box stores and that kind of thing. So we will get there. It just takes some time. I already have everything ready to go online. I just have to go buy it and pick it up. So let's get into cutting on this back one, shall we? go through. It didn't even go through. That didn't work.